are prepositions, the thorn in the side of all language learners. And then we combine them with verbs to make life even more complicated. Hello to you and thank you for joining me today. Have you already subscribed to this channel? If so, thank you. I really appreciate it. If not, what's stopping you? Click that subscribe button now. Okay, following on from the nouns followed by preposition series, we will now take a look at verbs followed by prepositions. Today, in the first part of this video series, we will take a look at 15 verbs followed by the preposition to. I will teach you the meanings of these 15 B2 to C2 level verbs, as well as how we use them in everyday English. It is my aim to increase your understanding as well as your confidence in English. Use this video for listening practice to learn the new vocabulary too. I have kept these verbs in alphabetical order to aid your learning. Please write to me to practice these verbs followed by to as well. Let's get started. Our first verb followed by to is adapt to. This is a B2 level verb that means to change your ideas or behavior to make them suitable for a new situation. Let's see how we use adapt to in everyday English. Animals often adapt to their surroundings for survival. Some newcomers to Canada have found it challenging to adapt to the cold climate. Do you think you will adapt to the use of AI? Selena had to adapt to the new work culture. Our second verb followed by to is add to, meaning to increase or enhance something by including more. Charlie and Elsie plan to add to their family next year. I decided to add to my collection of vintage books. Can you add to this discussion by sharing your English learning experiences? The new features will add to the app's functionality. Adhere to is a C1 level verb that means to stick to or follow a rule, belief, or principle. It's important to adhere to safety guidelines. Jackson failed to adhere to the dress code for the event. The team is expected to adhere to the project deadlines. Adhering to a healthy diet can improve your well-being. I'm sure you know the meaning of our next verb, agree to. Agree to means to accept or consent to something. I agree to the terms of the contract. The employee didn't agree to the changes proposed by management. We all agreed to the plan after discussing it. Did you agree to the conditions laid out in the meeting? The parties involved agreed to settle the dispute amicably. Allocate to is a C1 level verb that means to distribute resources or duties for a specific purpose. In each of the following sentences though, check where the to is positioned in the sentence. The government allocated resources to disaster relief efforts. We need to allocate more staff to customer service. The committee allocated funds to community projects. Time was allocated to each speaker during the conference. Apologise to, as you likely already know, means to express regret for an action or for inappropriate behaviour. Let's see how we use it in everyday English sentences. Eddie apologised to the team for his absence. I must apologise to you for my harsh words. The company apologised to customers for the inconvenience. It's important to apologise to those we hurt. I'm sure you have lots to attend to today. Attend to means to take care of or deal with something. Sandra needs to attend to her health more seriously. Paul was busy attending to his duties at work. We must attend to the details before submitting the report. I have to attend to some personal matters this evening. Do you belong to a team, club, or group? Belong to means to be a member or a part of something. June really feels that she belongs to her community. That house has belonged to the same family for generations. Gareth belongs to a historical reenactment group. Bring to means to cause someone or something to reach a particular state or place. Again, watch where the to in each sentence is positioned. Please bring this issue to the boss's attention. The boy brought joy to everyone he met. The project aims to bring awareness to local issues. And you, my English learners, always bring a smile to my face. What have you committed to in life? Commit to in this context is a C2 level verb, meaning to pledge or dedicate oneself to a particular course of action. I have committed to improving my Spanish skills this year. The company committed to a more sustainable business model. My friend has decided to commit to his fitness goals. Are you determined to commit to your English studies? I hope so. Do you conform to societal expectations? Conform to means to comply with rules, standards, or laws. All baby and children's products must conform to safety regulations. Many of us try to conform to the expectations of our families. Vinny struggled to conform to societal norms. Lisa doesn't feel the need to conform to fashion trends. Now, consent to means to give permission or agree to something. The couple consented to the new terms of service. Last year, I consented to a medical procedure. The committee consented to the proposed changes. The company cannot consent to the arrangement without more information. Alice consented to the use of her image for the charity campaign. Contribute to means to give or add something to a common supply or effort. Thomas likes to contribute to political discussions. By watching this video and interacting, you are contributing to the success of this channel. Each member is expected to contribute to the group project. Mary contributed to the project with her expertise. Hopefully, I have delivered this lesson to you in an engaging manner. Deliver to means to take and hand over something to a specific person or place. Again, look at where to is positioned in each sentence. The department delivers presentations to various stakeholders. Many restaurants will deliver food to your home. Nikki promised to deliver the package to her friend on her way home from work. I will deliver the documents to the client this afternoon. And our final verb followed by to today is devote to. If you have watched this video to this point, then you are very devoted to your English learning as well as to this channel. Thank you. Devote to means to put in time, effort, or resources to something. In the following sentences, look at where to is. Mohammed devotes every weekend to studying. Mother Teresa decided to devote her life to helping others. We all want to devote more time to our families. The charity devotes funds to education initiatives. I have devoted myself to teaching English via this YouTube channel. 15 verbs followed by to. I'm sure that you knew some of these verbs already, but hopefully you now know how to use these verbs in everyday English and where to position the preposition to in each sentence. How can you use these verbs? Be sure to write to me to practice your use of these verbs. I'm looking forward to reading what you write. Have a great week, and I'll see you again next week in our English video lesson. Bye!